everyone, I'm Krsita Seiden, a product evangelist here at Amplitude, and in this video, we are going to deep dive on Pathfinder and journeys within Amplitude. So to get there, we are going to go ahead and click Create, choose our chart type, and select Journeys. This will lead us into a blank template where we can start to add events that we want to path. So let's go ahead and add an event. We're still in our Amplify demo account. And so I want to understand where people go, what they do after they have activated a free trial. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the trial activated event as my starting place. And then I can see where these different users went in their journey. So if I click more, it will go ahead and expand these different drop-off points. And I can also remove a step or change the event. So instead of maybe looking forwards from the trial activated event, I might want to path backwards from the upgrade plan event. Now, when I do that, my More button will be on the opposite side, so I can see how people got to my ultimate place of upgrading their plan. So if I click there, I can expand these different paths, and I start to see all of the different ways that users might have gotten to that ultimate place of upgrading. So it looks like they definitely start a session, they view or search, they sync their profile, they select some files, they edit a file, and then they go ahead and upgrade that plan. Again, I can remove any of these steps I want by Xing out. I can change how things are measured between uniques and total events. I can change how soon this path needs to be completed. So instead of 1 day, I could change it to 5 days or 10 days, or I can change it to a lesser amount of time, such as hours or minutes, or even within a single session. I can group by. I can exclude certain events here. I can only show paths that include certain events. So if I know that I only want to look at paths where people have started a trial and then eventually upgrade their plan, I can make sure to add that event for trial. And then this whole thing will be filtered for only people who have upgraded their plan, but came from starting a trial. If I want to instead look at this as a journey, I can do that too. And this is more specific paths that people are going on. And my favorite journey to look at is actually going to be a between journey. So right now we have our ultimate ending place here, number 2, as upgrading their plan. But let's go ahead and start that trial activated, and look at what the journeys are between these different steps. So people who activated a trial all the way over to people who upgraded their plans. So these are my top 5 journeys. I can add more paths or fewer paths to see what these different paths really look like. Now, one thing that I haven't showed much of yet in this series is actually bringing in the global chat to help me analyze. But what I wanted to do here was actually just that. So I'm going to open up our global chatbot here, and I'm going to add a question of which paths were the most successful getting users to upgrade their plan. Now I can see that with this visual outlay, but I want to actually get a little bit deeper. I want to understand some of the things going on here. And so I'm going to have chat do some of that analysis for me. Okay, so this has done some work. It's analyzed the chart, and it's found some of our top paths to upgrade. So, it says number 1, this one has 34 users. We can keep scrolling, find the most. So number 3, the welcome page to ending and then starting a session, coming back through the welcome page, and then finally upgrading a plan. So this is interestingly, 51 users came back for a second session. They were returning visitors and then upgraded their plan after re-engaging with the welcome page. This suggests that retargeting or re-engagement campaigns might be working. Users who didn't convert on the first visit came back and then upgraded. So these are some interesting insights that I wouldn't have necessarily gotten had I not done some of this additional conversation. So couple of key takeaways it's going to give me here. The two biggest upgrade drivers are activation completers. So sign up, upload, integrate. So it shows the highest intent, and this is the fastest path it's telling me. But also, as we called out just a second ago, return visitors. People coming back for that second session tend to be upgrading at a higher rate. So these are some great insights to have and things that I wouldn't have necessarily taken away myself. So global chat can be a huge addition to any analysis that I'm doing here. And in this case, definitely gave me some more insight on what was happening. So there you go. One of my favorite reports within Amplitude, Pathfinder, and Journey Map to really understand how people are flowing through your site, what behaviors might be leading to your ultimate conversion events that you want to understand so that you can drive more of those for your business.